YouTube, yes, transformation. To the guy that was here, I still have your dreads, okay? Listen, he left without his dreads, but I still have your dreads here. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep them, but if you want them back, if you want it back, you know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. Just don't really pay attention to this hand. Pay more attention to this hand right here. You know what I'm saying? Just because if you want it back, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. Stay tuned. This is a whole transformation, okay? Obviously. Stay tuned. So not only do I want to make sure that the top is neat and shaped right, I want to make sure the bottom lays right and transitions into the afro on top. So I'm going to be freehanding the sides once I comb everything out, making sure everything is laid. That way your results can look a lot more neat at the end. Now starting on the sides, I'm going to do this just like I do my normal high tapers. I'm going to use my Andis Cordless GTX to set in my bald line. Because my client C cup already is like so drastic of a, you know, curve, I don't have to set in my bald line as curved. You know what I mean? You always gotta pay attention to your client's shape of his head or how his lineup is. So I could just let my guidelines do the talking for this type of look. using my Andis cordless masters to set in my next guideline with the lever fully open. I'm going up about a ½ inch, but the trick here is to go a little bit wider when you get close to your client's ear. You want to leave that area closest to your client's lineup a lot shorter. All right, that way you can set in the vertical bars a lot darker when you're lining your client up. Next step, putting on the one guard with the lever open and basically kind of scooping out. You want to do the same exact thing as when you set in your lever open. All right, in the back area, go a little wider. Towards the lineup area, keep that area a little lower, because remember, you're trying to keep that lineup area dark as possible. That way you could give a lot more of a darker line. Because you're flicking out with the one guard, it's gonna leave a bulky look at the top. So right now I got my lever closed and I'm freehanding, making sure everything runs smoothly into the afro. Now closing the lever on the one guard, I'm just softening up that middle line. That way it's easier for you to take it out with the next step. Putting on the zero guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now remember to start below the line, flick to the line. This is going to make it a lot more easier for you to take it out because you softened it up with the one guard closed. So same technique as when you use the zero guard with the lever closed. It's the same thing with the lever fully closed. All right, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to start below the line, flick to the line, and make sure you adjust the lever as you go higher on that fade. Lastly, what you want to do is detailing. Detailing is extremely important. It separates you from being just an average barber. This is where you use your corners to knock out any bulk that you see, start reshaping, and just doing what it takes to step up that blend. Same thing on this side. What you do to one side, you do exactly the same thing to try to match it up as best as possible to the other side. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he's on the beat. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.